I received a call from my dad. He noticed a soft spot in his subfloor just leaving the kitchen. In order to get a closer look at what was occurring, we pulled back the carpet and noticed that the OSB subfloor was damaged. I used my multi-tool to cut a small portion of the damaged area out, making sure not to cut too deep until I knew that there were no wires, plumbing, or buried treasure. Here is the damaged part. I suspect that every time he left the kitchen, his first step was in that exact spot every time. Now that I know that there are no hazards under that spot, I use my mini circular saw to cut the hole bigger and prepare it for some added support. I made a frame from some scrap 2x4 material to fit inside the cavity so that the patch will have plenty of support on all four sides. I applied some power grab adhesive, then the panel, and then screwed it into the support that I added. Total job took less than an hour, really no expenses as I used scraps from my shop. I hope you saw some value in this video. Thank you very much for watching.